Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to Pure Brain Joy. Bitcoin. In today's era, every one of us knows this digital cryptocurrency. There are many cryptocurrencies. Among them, the Bitcoin is the most valuable cryptocurrency. One Bitcoin is equal to $70,000. Bitcoin has completely changed many people's life. From Bitcoin, people rise from zero to millionaires and millionaire to zero. In this video, I'll tell you some of the most unlucky people having Bitcoins, and I am pretty sure that after hearing their stories, you might get shocked. So, let's start. Number 1. The Lost Wallet. In 2013, James Howells from South Wales, a computer engineer who accidentally discarded a hard drive containing approximately £150 million worth of Bitcoin during an office clearout. He unknowingly threw away the hardware from an old laptop that held 8,000 Bitcoins. Now, he hopes to use artificial intelligence to search through thousands of tons of landfill and attempt to recover these digital assets. Number 2. The Bitcoin Pizza. Laszlo Honyecz, an American programmer. He holds a special place in Bitcoin history. On May 22, 2010, when Bitcoin was just over a year old, Laszlo Honyecz made a groundbreaking move. He became the first person to use Bitcoin in a commercial transaction. Honyecz purchased a pizzas from Domino's for an astonishing 10,000 BTC. This momentous occasion is now known as Bitcoin Pizza Day. Little did he know that those pizzas would become the stuff of legend. Fast forward to today, with one Bitcoin worth around $70,000, the pizza purchase seems like a joke. Laszlo's $700 million pizzas become worldwide famous. The man who unwittingly turned to pizzas into a crypto legend. So, next time you enjoy a slice of pizza, remember Laszlo Honyecz.
Stood on the forum, I said, if anybody's interested, I'm offering 10,000 Bitcoins in exchange for some pizza. And somebody there said, hey, I'll take you up on that offer. So I sent him the 10,000 Bitcoin. I said, okay, here it is, I'm waiting for my pizza. And, he phoned it in, he paid with his credit card, and the pizza showed up at my door.
Number 3. A costly click. In November 2017, Sean Russell invested around $120,000 in Bitcoin when its price was soaring. Within just 1 month, his investment ballooned to $500,000. The dream of paying off mortgages and enjoying long-awaited holidays seemed within reach. Unfortunately, the euphoria didn't last. Bitcoin's price surged to over $20,000 in December, but then plummeted. Desperate to mitigate his losses, Sean shifted some of his funds from Bitcoin to an offshoot called Bitcoin Cash, as well as other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Ripple. However, these moves didn't work as expected. The paper losses on his initial investment reached a staggering 96%. Sean described the experience as devastating and quite traumatic. He found himself in a position he had seen in news stories about billionaires going bankrupt. The explosive rise in cryptocurrency prices in 2017 had attracted many inexperienced investors, and Sean was among them. Number 4. The Compromised Wallet. Power of the Gods, a Reddit user, shared their unfortunate experience. They were a crypto enthusiast who held significant assets in various cryptocurrencies. One day, their hardware wallet was compromised, resulting in the loss of over $120,000 worth of crypto. The exact details of how the wallet was drained remain a mystery. Despite hiring a computer forensic expert and storing their seed phrase securely, the funds vanished. The incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of security and vigilance in the crypto space. Quadrigax Exchange. In the world of cryptocurrencies, the Quadrigax saga stands out as a cautionary tale, a modern-day mystery that unfolded in the digital realm. Quadrigax, a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange, was founded in 2013 by Gerald Cotton and Michael Patrin. Initially, it focused on Bitcoin trades and gained popularity among Canadian crypto enthusiasts. In December 2018, Gerald Cotton, the young founder and CEO of Quadrigax, traveled to India with his new wife, Jennifer Robertson. Tragically, Cotton fell seriously ill and passed away unexpectedly. His death shocked the crypto community. Cotton's widow revealed that he had encrypted his laptop, which contained the private keys. Without those keys, approximately $190 million worth of cryptocurrencies held in cold storage became inaccessible. Users were left in limbo, their funds were trapped, and the exchange's operations ground to a halt. So, these are the unfortunate stories of cryptocurrency user, so be careful about your cryptocurrencies. But according to my personal opinion, cryptocurrency is not a safe business. What's your opinion about cryptocurrency? Comment down. Hopefully, guys, you would like the video. See you in the next video. Masalama.